Hey everyone, it's Rob from Spectrum and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're unboxing and setting up the Spectrum Jasper Livestream Ring Light Kit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Hit that notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the Spectrum Jasper Livestream Ring Light Kit. Follow us on social media at spectrum.aurora and visit our website, spectrum-brand.com. Let's get into it. So what's included with the Jasper ring light? Firstly is the Spectrum Jasper ring light itself. This is a USB Type A powered ring light, so you can plug this directly into a computer, a laptop, or a power plug that supports USB Type A. Second are the two flexible arms that support the mobile phone brackets. You have mounting screws plus an Allen key. You have the smartphone holders themselves, there's two of them. And you also have the base plate for the ring light kit. Setting up the Spectrum Jasper ring light kit is relatively easy. You have three mounting points here in the base plate. So what you need to decide is where you want to position the ring light and your smartphone holders. The traditional layout would be positioning the ring light in the center position and the two side plates here with the mobile brackets. So firstly, what you'll need to do is grab one of the screws, then fit this to the bottom of the ring light plate here and screw to fasten to the base plate. As you get to a tighter position, use the Allen key to finish it off and tighten it further, and repeat the process for the other two flexible arms. Once you've used all three screws, the fourth screw here is a spare screw, just in case one's damaged or you lose one. Now you have the two mobile brackets that you can see here. What you need to do is to loosen the screw here that allows a little bit of an extra gap to fit into the ball head mount of the mobile bracket arm. Then screw to tighten and secure the bracket. Repeat the process with the second arm and your ring light's now set up. The Spectrum Jasper features a 6-inch sized ring light. This features 48 SMD LEDs that have a 41.63 lux rating at 1 meter. The actual light itself has a flexible arm here of approximately 82 centimeters, with the mobile arms approximately 41 centimeters. The base is 15 centimeters in diameter. It's powered via USB Type A, so that means you can plug this into a computer, a laptop, a portable charger, or an AC adapter for USB. It has power intensity operation and you have 10 steps of power. You also have presets to change the color temperature from cool to warm white to warm. It also features a CRI rating of 80+ and has a 120-degree beam angle for the LEDs, so it's a wide spread. The light unit itself is 1.2 kilos, including the base plate, and you have a 1.9 meter length for your cable. To operate the Spectrum Jasper is relatively easy. All you need to do is plug into a powering device. In this case, we're using a portable charger. Once you provide power to the unit, you'll see that the power button illuminates there with an LED, blue color, and you can press down on the power, which turns on the light. Now you have three other buttons here. One is a minus, another one has a little cycle logo, and the other one's a plus. So the plus and minus just control the intensity, which you have 10 stops of intensity. And you also have the middle button, which is that cycle button that allows you to cycle the different color temperatures from warm to warm white to cool. The Spectrum Jasper 6-inch ring light kit is perfect for live streaming, self-taping, and conference calls such as Zoom and Skype. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if this video has helped you in any way. Feel free to leave down in the comment section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the Spectrum Jasper 6-inch ring light kit. Follow us on social media at spectrum.aurora and visit our website, spectrum-brand.com.